Stop scrolling. Your Chromecast shows Wi-Fi connected but no internet, and nothing is casting. In the next few minutes, I will show you real, tested fixes that technicians actually use. No theory, no guesswork, only working solutions. First, understand the problem clearly. Chromecast connects to Wi-Fi, but it cannot reach the internet server. This usually happens because of router settings, band mismatch, or cached network errors. Now start with the most important fix. Restart everything properly. Unplug Chromecast from power. Turn off your TV. Turn off your Wi-Fi router. Wait at least 60 seconds. Now turn on the router first and wait until all lights become stable. Then turn on the TV and power the Chromecast. This clears temporary network conflicts in most cases. Next fix is Wi-Fi band issue. Chromecast works best on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Many routers automatically switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. This causes internet handshake failure. Go to your router settings. Disable Smart Connect or band steering. Create separate Wi-Fi names for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Connect Chromecast only to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Now check date and time mismatch. Wrong time breaks internet security authentication. On your TV, go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Date and Time. Set time to automatic. Set time zone correctly. Restart Chromecast after this step. Next solution is DNS reset. DNS means domain name system. Wrong DNS blocks internet even when Wi-Fi is connected. Open Google Home app on your phone. Select your Chromecast device, go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Forget Wi-Fi. Reconnect Wi-Fi again. This automatically refreshes DNS. If still not fixed, check router security. Disable MAC filtering. Disable parental control temporarily. Set encryption to WPA2 personal. Avoid WPA3 for testing. Another proven fix is hotspot test. Turn on mobile hotspot. Connect Chromecast to hotspot. If internet works, your router is the problem, not Chromecast. Last solution is factory reset. Hold Chromecast button for 20 seconds until LED changes. Set it up again from Google Home app. These steps solve 99% of Chromecast Wi-Fi connected no internet issues. If this helped, subscribe to Tech Vibes for real technician fixes.